In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your free Wix website URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to pick a clean, available name, and how to lock in the change with confidence. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. If you manage more than one site, make sure you're inside the dashboard for the specific site you want to rename. This is important because the change you're about to make affects that site's public address. Next, head to Settings, then look for Site Address, sometimes labeled as URL. This area controls how people reach your site. On a free Wix site, your address typically follows a format that includes wixsite.com and your site name at the end. In this process, you're changing that site name portion, which is what visitors will see and type after the slash. Click Edit next to your current URL. You'll see a field where you can enter the new site name. Think of this as a short, memorable label for your site's web address. Keep it simple, easy to spell, and relevant to what your site is about. Avoid special characters or punctuation. Stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens. Shorter is usually better, and clarity beats cleverness when it comes to URLs. If you're changing an existing brand name, make sure the new name clearly matches your site content so visitors recognize it. As you type, Wix will automatically check if the name is available. If it's taken, try a variation that keeps the meaning while staying readable. You might add a descriptive word, a location, or a brief niche term. Using a hyphen can improve clarity when two words sit side by side. Aim for something you'd feel comfortable saying out loud and that your audience can remember without having to write it down. Once you've settled on an available name, click Save or Apply. Give it a moment to update. From now on, your site will load at the new address. Your content, pages, and design don't change, only the URL path does. After saving, it's a good idea to share your updated link anywhere it appears, like social profiles, email signatures, or marketing materials, so visitors always land on the correct address. That's it. You opened your Wix dashboard, went to Settings and Site Address, clicked Edit, entered a new site name, confirmed availability, and saved your changes. You've successfully updated your free Wix website URL.